Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Tivoli Gardens moved into the top 6 while UWI FC and Vere United are one loss away from exiting the Red Stripe Premier League after both suffered their 15th defeat of the season. At the Edward Siaga Sports Complex, the resurgent Tivoli Gardens climbed into 5th spot on 43 points after their win over Vere United, with Stephen Barnett opening the scoring in the first minute. Davian Garrison got into the act to double their lead 16 minutes later. Not to be left out, national under-23 player Trayvon Reed added his name to the score sheet with Tivoli's third just a minute later. Garrison returned for his second and Tivoli's fourth, scoring in the 27th minute. Narada Brown grabbed a consolation goal for Vere United in the 61st minute. However, Tivoli restored their 4-goal advantage when Alfonso Nelson converted in the 71st.
This is the end of the competition right now, and we have to put together a couple of good results. And today was one of them. We have earmarked this game as one of the winnable games, and the guys really stuck to the task today and complete the job.